first thing you want to do is make sure your car is cold and open up this reservoir cap to release pressure. Now if your car is hot, don't open this because you're gonna get burned. And your thermostat housing is right there, and so in order to get to that, first we gotta remove this part right here. So on the other side of this bolt there is a nut. Yep, there's a nut right there, so you just gotta loosen that by hand. But once that's out, it helps if you remove this plug. There we go, and please don't drop the nut. Oh yes. Okay, so now this bracket can kind of loosen or get it out of the way somehow. I'm gonna have to do that. There we go. So after this thing is out of the way, there's one big bolt right there and another one right there. Wow, that's on there pretty tight. Oh, what happened? Okay. Oh, that scared me. Oh, that one's on there really tight too. Jeez. Once you start loosening the thermostat housing, it's gonna start leaking coolant. That's normal. For me, I have this unused carpet that I'm using as a tool, but you know, this is something to be wary of. I'm just gonna make sure the coolant's not hot. Yeah, it's not hot anymore. Kind of just wiggle it out this way. This is a message from the future me. Before you start this job, make sure to remove this connection right here to the distributor. I don't know if it's factory or not, but mine was zip tied to this hose, and whenever I moved this out of the way, it kind of messed up the connection for the distributor and my car stopped working. And so that was a whole adventure which I have documented in a different video. But yeah, just make sure that you don't mess with this, whatever you do. It's gonna really screw you up. Anyways, that's your thermostat right there. Note where that bleeder valve is, the little hole at the top. You gotta make sure you line that up in the same place for the new one. There we go. And here we are with the original thermostat. So the one in the car was a 180 degree thermostat, and the new one is 192, so this should make my car not run so cold. And it has the bleeder valve there, so I'm gonna put this in and see what happens. I have concerns about the previous person who did this having to put gasket maker on the thermostat housing. Maybe it was leaking. I mean, it probably was leaking. Hopefully it doesn't leak for me. Alright, so that's about as clean as I can get it. So now it's time to put the new thermostat on.